Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Super Nova. In this video I'll show you how to update firmware of your controller. If you want to update firmware of your controller, firstly make sure it's connected to your PC, enter GameSir Connect and tap this button. Upgrade. Make sure that app is not on the background mode because it will pause the update. And upgrade is successful. Turn on your controller. And it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.